I'm Martine Linaer del Centre. I come from Belgium. I work in Dommelhof, which is a structure, governmental structure from the province of Limburg, and we are based in the north of Flanders. And one of the main missions is that we have a circus creation space in which we host artists and companies who work on what I call the circus of today. And then I'm also the programmer of the festival Theater of the Markt, which is the main moment in the year we do to present the shows and the residencies we had in Dommelhof. So we focus there on circus, but also about outdoor work, site-specific theater, installation and performance, dance, multidisciplinary I would say, but the main red thread is that it's for public space, for outdoor. The Dommelhof and Theater of the Markt with Catalonia, we go back a long time, like in the late 80s that the previous director discovered the festival of Fira Tàrrega, and he was really a fan of the Catalan outdoor work. So, and he infected a bit the rest of the team with that. And then by presenting some of the work in our festival, it's really different, I think, what we discover in Catalonia than what I discover in France or Italy or the northern countries or our own country. And by presenting the work, we also had started talks and collaborations to go a bit further with some of the artists. Actually, this is kind of a new road we've taken because we had the funding as a circus creation space, and we really thrilled to do also work on an international level. So we are not just there for Flemish or Belgian artists. And in say, I think circus is really international. Yesterday when we were on the tour and we went to visit places in Mataró, for me it's like this extra layer on going abroad and not just see shows, but really to find out how work is made here and how it's all organized. This Catalan Journey, it's like very inspirational for me as an organizer, as a programmer, but also how to visit those places. And I think it's very different from the place I run, the place we saw like Artesario and Chronopis, so yin-yang, so different from each other, but with all the love and the respect for the circus world and circus artists and how they can create in the best environments to do their artistic thing. Yeah, really an inspiration, and I will remember it for quite some time. Yeah. Language can be a barrier for me to book something when the show is with a lot of text or going to literature, and it's not adaptable, because sometimes it can be adapted. Yeah, there are always maybe ways to bring it to other language-speaking audience, but yeah, artists should do what they want to do, and if they want to integrate the text into their show, then they should do it, not mind the bookers who come and see the show. On a practical thing is we're living in times that like transport and everything, it goes like up. And when I see now the budgets of what we need to pay for companies coming from 1,000 kilometers further, and it's a pity that you cannot invest it in artistic work, but you have to invest it now. So this is also a thing that they have to keep in mind, I think, but I guess they do, and yeah. Never asked myself this question, because I think it is like that, and it would be very nationalistic to just think it would be very poor of us. So it's all about collaborating and having good contacts with people from all over the world to make something rich in a program that people can discover. We like to bring the world to Dommelhof, but also what we create in Dommelhof, we like to take it out to the world. And it's like a back and forth. Yeah. Definitely, yeah. I'm pretty sure. And even this year I will come back, I think.